Hi there, it's Michelle Theberge, and unfortunately I have a little bit of sad news for you. So I've pretty much retired from teaching. So those of you who want more with me, there's just not an option for that. There was one option and it's about to go away, sadly. So a few years ago, Blueprint invited me to teach a course for them, and they flew me to Denver, and I had this wonderful experience of working with a producer and a professional team and a studio. For months, we prepared the material beforehand. It is the kind of experience you'd get if you actually took a class in a classroom at a college with me. So it's very detailed, there are handouts, there's sequence, there's just much more info than you can get off of YouTube. So unfortunately, the head of the company just sent out an email saying that Blueprint is going out of business. And that might not surprise a lot of you. A lot of businesses are struggling right now. So they're gonna close that down. They said 1 or 2 months. I don't know how long, let's just say 1 month. If you're at all interested in taking the class, I just wanted to give you last call, last chance. I'll put a link below and I will add a preview to the course. So just a little bit of info. This class is called stain painting, but even if you're not interested in stain painting, there are tons of tips about layering, about color, transparency, opacity, a huge array of mediums and how they work. And so these can apply to any painter, even someone who isn't interested in stain painting. And this is also something that applies to people of all levels. So check the preview out and you can go to the webpage and see if it's right for you. For only $20 US, you get to take a class with me. There is no other way to take a class with me. I do not have any other online courses. I have stopped in-person teaching. It's been at least 5 years. So other than my short YouTube tutorials, which are hard to do right now because I can't get anyone in here to film during quarantine. So there it is. Just if it's helpful to you, I'm giving you this info. So hope you're doing great. Happy painting to you all, and I'll see you on the next video. So stain painting really lends itself really well to abstract work. We're not going to be necessarily trying to paint something realistic or create something that looks like anything. We're going to allow the paint to speak itself. And so allow that playful side of yourself to come out, the part of you that loves color and that can allow some accidents to happen, and really just let yourself be really free. This is Startup Project Acrylic Ink Stain Painting, and I'm Michelle Theberge. So stain painting is a way of painting on an absorbent surface. We use a canvas without any primer or gesso on it, and we let the colors bleed and blend together. It's really gorgeous, it's really fun. It's sort of connected to watercolor, so if you've done watercolor before, you'll love how that layering effect and all the gorgeous bleeds that you get, and you're gonna love this. We're gonna start with wet on wet. We're gonna talk about color and layering color to make beautiful depth. We're gonna play with some mediums and layering those on top and what those can do to the canvas. We'll learn about dry brush techniques, some fun gels. So we're gonna take this vocabulary of techniques that we learn in the beginning and use those to create 2 final projects. I'm here to help you get in touch with your own creative voice, and that's what this is a vehicle for, to really know that you have your own ideas and how can we bring those out and bring out who you are as a creative person.